From Harry Selassie Avenue to Kenyatta Avenue. Okay, welcome back to my channel. And NMS is trying to change some of the places in Uhuru Park. So I'm going to show you this lovely park, which is, by the way, free to enter. Poa sana. So far, not much have been done. that you can see they are trying to change the landscaping of this lovely park, which is located in Nairobi Central. So this road here, as you see, is called Processional Way, and it was tarmacked by the NMS, and I'm going to show you the video of this road being tarmacked, which I shared with you last year. Africa, welcome back to my channel, and today is Christmas, and a big Christmas. That does not mean I have to stop. I have to keep on updating you, and this is a Processional Way, which starts through Uhuru Park from Haile Selassie Avenue to Kenyatta Avenue. So they have done up to here. And this is the old part. So you can see we already have the road soil here, which I'm not quite sure what they are going to do with it, but from what I suspect is that they are probably trying to beautify some of the areas in Uhuru Park by probably planting some flowers. I told you, NMS has already changed some of places here in Uhuru Park, and I do believe that they continue to change the face of this iconic park. So most of these shots that I'm showing you were there before the NMS came in. As I told you, this is a very iconic park that has been there since memorial. And this is a park. This is a monument that is dedicated for Kenya's freedom fighters, Mau Mau. One of places that when you come here, you really have to. When you come here in Nairobi, this is one of the places that you really have to come and take a picture, because this is very iconic. Because this is very important. This is Kenya and Freedom Army. That's our known Mau, the men and women who fought for the independence of this country.